Shandong Chencan Machinery Incorporated Company is a global manufacturer of CNC router machine for a variety of industries. With over 5,000 machines installed worldwide, Chencan Machinery provides cost-effective, easy-to-use, programmable cutting and additive manufacturing solutions for both large and small companies alike. Founded in 2007, Chencan Machinery, located in Chihe Economic Development Zone of Shandong Province, which with modern plant have over 180 workers and 60 professional technicians. In order to make all mechanical components with high precision, Chencan import USA HAS Process Center, USA Leader Metrology 3 Coordinates Testing Center, Taiwan All-Wheel Gantry Process Center, and other advanced machinery equipment. Main products are 5-axis CNC Machining Center, RV Composite Panels Processing Center, Mold CNC Machining Center, Auto Loading Unloading Nesting CNC Router, 4-axis 3D CNC Router, Woodworking CNC Router, etc. All these products have been approved by CE and ISO 9001. As new technologies develop and professional techniques evolve in specific industrial applications, Chencan Machinery will be at the forefront of integrating these into our mainstream machinery. Chencan Company prides itself with the fact that thousands of companies worldwide have benefited from our products and designs. We are committed to taking the first step in solving your CNC machine requirements for the present and into the future.
Hello everyone, this is our team. Welcome to our company.
Welcome to